song is just for me to tell you thank you. I appreciate all of y'all that been supporting me on this. Appreciate all the people that came in to hang out with me on this. Because we at the end. Let's go. I'm at the end. I'm at the end, so people bring your friends. I'm over here, wanna say thanks again. So thank you coming over here to show me love. I'm over here to giving virtual hugs. I'm at the end when I say your name. I'm at the end when I'm in this game. I'm at the end when I show with love. To everybody saying I'm showing with love. I'm singing love to Leah J now. At the end today, showing love to you now. Miss Kim Bling Bar, saying love to you. I know we at the end, thanks for coming through. The DJ 44, Cindy G, we at the end. Thank you coming over here, been a great friend. Friend over here in the family's real. Still over here with the at the end still saying, hey, I guess we at the end. Yes, I'm over here to saying that yes, I'm at the end. Saying that yes, I'm at the end. So everybody see, so thanks be my friend. Oh yes, I'm at the end. So everybody see, do you know I'm at the end? Yes, I'm at the end. So let me tell you, so thanks be my friend. So Cabernet Garden, thanks for coming in. Still over here saying that at the end again. We at the end of the other song and now we going over. People talking about it saying that yes, we get to bolder. Doing this song off the top of the dome. People talking about it, do you even have a home? Showing love and showing peace to the other grace. Now we over here to send a piece of in my way. The piece of hair grease when it's on my mind. People talking about that it's my time. Time over here when I'm saying these names. People's over here at the end once again saying, yes, I'm at the end. Everybody, yes, I'm at the end. Saying I'm at the end. So thank y'all for coming, just for coming once again. So I'm at the end. Everybody, say I'm at the end. I'm at the end. So I'm over here today saying, being my friend. I seen push, so we at the end. Thank you for coming once again. Nature Birdie, person to say. Nature Bird Pet and the animal today. Now you at the end, saying thank you once again. Keisha A says that bless once again. 6-4 is back, now we at the end. Everybody when we at the end. T-double-P, popcorn at the end. 7 deaths over here, yes we at the end. BT Ho 23 TV at the end, hanging out just with me. Geeky Girl Turner, yes we at the end. Miss T with the T, yes we at the end. Calikin 916 at the end. Everybody T wanna sing once again. Robert Cat, yes I'm at the end. Trailways what? Yes I'm at the end. Rob Allbang, oh yes we at the end. Thank you for coming once again, saying hey. Yes, I'm at the end. People's over here saying, bringing your friend. Friends over here like my family. Coming at the end when you hang with me, saying, hey. Saying that yes, I'm at the end. Everybody, do you know I'm at the end? Showing me love while I'm at the end. People's over here, that's where I'm at the end. Crooked Beach now, oh, yes, we at the end. Del Nigga 13, yes, we at the end. Miss Kim Bling Bar, yes, we at the end. Everybody, when you know we at the end. Killing with the sin, now we at the end. Emotional soul when I'm at the end. Panama City, I'm at the end. Good Beacheries, I'm at the end. Life with the Sherry, yeah, oh yes, I'm at the end. Strutting Chinese, saying yes, I'm at the end. Miss Aisha, I'm at the end. Official 1 SP, yes, I'm at the end, saying hey. Then I'm at the end. Everybody, for thank for coming in. Coming over here, just a coming on in. When you tell your people, yes, I'm at the end, saying, hey, yes, I'm at the end. Thank you, everybody, for coming in. Still over here when I'm at the end. Everybody, when I'm at the end. Marina Latrina, yes, I'm at the end. Band me, yes, I'm at the end. DJ 44, Cindy G, I'm at the end. Shamika, oh, yes, I'm at the end. I say Lisa J, stuck, I'm at the end. Everybody's saying, yes, I'm at the end. BB, Urban Homestead and Lifestyle. Yes, I'm at the end when I do my lifestyle. A good shower. Yes, I'm at the end. Buddha of the Destiny. Numbers there again. And I'm at the end, so thank you, my friend. Friends over here when I'm at the end saying, hey, saying that yes, I'm at the end. Everybody saying yes, I'm at the end. Thank you for coming in just once again. Doing my song just once again. Yeah. That's it. Thank y'all for coming. That's the end of the album. So until next time, I'm gonna say fitness is key, peace, and hair grease. Ooh wee. I'll holla. Take care.